The XT500 was made for the dirt, something I know nothing about. When I was looking for someone to teach me motocross, it turned out I already knew a lifelong expert, legendary superbike rider Chris Walker. Did you start then, motocrossing? Is that how you got into road racing?
Yeah, it was something that I got my first dirt bike as a 3-year-old. Used to go out on up the pit tips with my dad.
Blimey, this sounds like a Hovis ad. Suffice it to say that not only has Stalker motocrossed from birth, he now has his own circuit near the A1. Now look, I've got to be honest with you. I haven't really been on a motocross bike before.
You don't look like a motocross driver, if I'm brutally honest. I hope you've got something other than the goatskin gilet to wear today.
So we had quickly established that gear was going to be an issue, but I'd come fully equipped. The look I'm working on is Action Man Desert Soldier circa 1975, but I'm more worried that Chris has put me on a kid's bike, a Kawasaki 85.
It is a little bike, but the reality is you will find a lot of things easier with it being small. Okay, the riding position will be a little bit cramped, you're an adult-sized guy, but you'll feel the boss of it, you'll feel in charge of it, the clutch is light, the throttle's light, the brakes are good. You'll get a feel for it off-road, right, and a bike that you're the boss of. And obviously remember what it's like to stick your leg out going around the corner, lean the bike down as opposed to you leaning with it. You don't go into a corner and lean, you go to a corner and lean the bike down.
Okay, so you're pushing it in like a wheelbarrow type thing?
Pushing it in, exactly like that.
I'll never remember all that. The only thing to do is to do it.
Come on then, take it round.
Okay, this bike is meant for a kid, but immediately life on a Diddy dirt bike is a whole new, relatively frightening experience.
I'll get it.
You get it?
Well, very slowly get it.
Don't forget, just use those couple of fingers, don't get carried away.
I won't.
And build up gradually.
It's always the way, when you know it, that's where you come off. Oh God, here we go again then.
Let's do it.
You see what I mean? We'll try that again then.
He's obviously got half a clue. He's leading the bike down as opposed to himself. He's getting his leg off round the corners. Sat a little far back, but I did say it wouldn't be easy on this size of machine for him. But he's doing a good job. Impressed.
So impressed, he's letting me step up from an 85 to a 250. Time to tackle the big boy circuit. This time I was going to have to handle the big jumps. 18 on the circuit I'm riding. I'll have to learn to stand up or I'll be off. So should we just get on with it?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah, come on. The 250 was an animal, but being a 4-stroke was a little bit smoother. Stork's tip of accelerating on the crest of the jump is paying off. This is seriously exciting stuff, but just as you think you're getting it, it all goes Pete-tong.
Oh my word. That was one of the best rushes of my life.
What, getting run over?
Yeah, nearly taking you off, mate.
You did good, mate.
But do you know what? Falling off was fantastic because I knew why I fell off. Do you know what I mean, mate?
You'd leant over with the bike as opposed to pushing the bike down.
I thought I was on a road bike.
Yeah.
So was I all right for a first time?
Well impressed, well impressed. A bit skew whiff on the jumps, need to work on them, but other
mate,
than
I
that,
nearly lost it on
I think
one
if
jump.
you got the jumps, we could make something of you.
Hey look, my legs are aching, my arms are aching. But just think about this for a sec, right? You can buy a motocross bike for about £1,000 quid. Now if you want to go road racing, the bike and the track day will cost a lot of money. You can come to motocross circuits like this all around the country for about 25 quid for the day. So how cheap is that for the ultimate rush in motorcycling?